What's up, investors? Back again with another stock tip for you. If you checked out my last video on the last stock that we picked, boy, it went up 100%. So I hope maybe some of you guys took advantage of that. Now, I'm not saying every stock that we do is going to perform like that, but hey, getting comfortable with getting a stock tip, doing some research, that's what these videos are all about. Now, today's video is coming to us from Argus Research. And so they picked a small power company here in the US and around the world, ticker symbol AES. Now, they're predicting that this company's share price will go from about the $12 a share range all the way up to $24 a share by the end of the year. And so that's a tremendous move in a stock. I don't care what sector it is. So now AES, they're predicting, is going to become one of the largest power producers outside of China in the whole world. So how are they going to do that? Well, they're going to have to spend some money, and that's where the risk comes with this stock. So they're going to have to either borrow some money, they're going to have to issue shares and raise money that way. Now, all those things can be a negative for you as a shareholder, so that's a risk you want to examine. This company already has about $18 billion in debt, but if you took a look at mortgage rates and interest rates these days, they're very low. And so if you're going to invest in a business right now, now is a great time because interest rates are so low. So if you have confidence that this company is going to make the right investments and start delivering power in the places that are going to become profitable, then this might become a good investment for you. Now let's take a look at the stock chart because I think that's really important with this stock. As you can see on the stock chart, this stock is traded in a really steady range, occasionally peaking up over above maybe about that $20 a share range, which is where Argus is predicting that this stock ends up trading. You'll see this stock is traded in that $12 range for a very long time, and that's where it sits today. So I think that gives you a little bit of margin of safety with this stock because you're picking it up at a price where it's traded for a very long time. Now, energy companies don't typically, go up and down really wildly, and that's evidence of this stock chart that we're looking at right now. Now, this company does pay a small dividend, about 4%, and it's fluctuated over the years, so I'm not sitting here going to guarantee it, and neither is this company. They have, again, like I said, they have about $19 billion in debt and only about $1 billion in cash. So they're not flush with cash, and that's why they're probably going to have to reinvest in that balance sheet by issuing some more debt or maybe even some common shares of the stock. Now you might be wondering, am I going to run out and go buy shares of this company? Tell you what, I'm going to watch this one. I'm going to put this one on the watch list and I'm going to see where it goes. I think you're going to have plenty of time here to acquire it in that $12 range. And if you do, hey, you are going to collect a small dividend over the course of your investment. But what I'm really looking for in shares, I'm looking to buy them in that $12 range and probably sell them when they get up into that maybe $18, $19, $20 range. It's a stock that I personally would trade that way, and I'll let you decide if that's appropriate for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I like bringing these stock picks to you where we get a major research firm predicting massive upside in a stock in a short period of time, and usually a stock that many of us haven't heard of. I certainly hadn't heard of AES Power Company before today. So hit it on your watch list. Leave me a comment in the video below telling me what you've decided. Hit that subscribe button and consider watching some of my other videos if you have the time. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.